two different lanes. One more marshal for the back left. I think we have everybody we're supposed to have, just that I'm in here. Great, please. Marshal for the back left. Thanks, Mike. All right, drivers, well, Mike makes his way across the track. If this is your first time in a main, we're racing straight up. There's no more you're on your own clock. There's none of that stuff. You are battling the cars in front of and behind you. However, that doesn't mean that the car in front of you is your brakes for the turn. If you hit them, you gotta give the spot back, and it costs you both time. So, don't do that. I bet whoever drives the calmest and the most in the middle of the track for the first 3 minutes will win. I'd put money on it. If you just put your car right in the middle of the track in a chill, you're probably going to win the race. If it's a 6-minute A main, you're all going to go race on the sound of tone. I'm going to let you hear the tone once to make sure it's working good and that you know what it sounds like. That's what it is. Do you feel ready? No? Too bad. Here we go. Driver's ready. Marshall's ready. We're going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. And away we go. Let the carnage begin. That's probably their best pass through the left side triple all day. Yes, Mike, there's a hill there. What about it? There are. Who qualifies as a gaggle? Go with it. Easy. All in the triple, upside down in the triple. Alan's about to put his life on the line. His life is not on the line. I have no idea what the order is, but we will figure it out. Button is leading after starting in that. Topsy-turvy out there. I'm looking at the settings, trying to figure out what setting I had wrong. But no, it's really last the first for Rodney. It's around and qualifying. Yeah, I think that is. Oh. You know, he's trying to do it. You make a minimum of that. It's not a minimum rate. It's not, and it's the one that's not doing the job. Only something to hurt him. So, it's not learning. Others are learning. Ooh, that was a take out of town. But he did a Danica on it, tried to take him out, took himself out. That might be an outdated reference. Danica used to do that when she was a man. Like, try to wreck something and spin out. Really fun. So we got Rodney out front after starting last. We got Joe in spot. Tim is third. Rob is fourth. And he and Tom having a battle for fifth. Tim and Scott down with the seventh. Good idea, Mike. I can't see them from here, but I'm sure that's accurate. Whoever leaned over the railing, Mike said don't. And you better listen because he knows karate. Or Taekwondo. He knows Taekwondo. Because it means you have to attack first. But, don't know. Don't lean. It makes other people not see. They want to see. Coming down to the end of this one, Rodney looking to do the last first here. He's got a tag lead. Catching 4 seconds behind Rodney. Doug in third. Tom's going to bring it around to finish fourth. Rob finished fifth. Scott was sixth. TJ seventh. Finley eighth. This Tom line coming around for fourth.
Oh.
Drivers, I've got a challenge for you. For your
Yeah.
racing. Take reverse.
Oh, is it done? Oh, all right. I didn't.
By challenge, I mean, please do it. Because reverse is illegal. There's like 30 you make it awkward. It's supposed to be fun. But I also have to enforce rules going. That's a race. Justin Yogurt in the sixth spot is Derek Taylor. 5, Chris Wallace. Mike, Taekwondo Louis. David Hunt. The only half block name for some reason. In the 2 spot is Alan. And in the 1 is Gary O'Brien. All right, cool. Drivers ready?
Come on, guys.
8 minute 88. Down at the top.
Oh, Dieter.
Gary goes to the early triple. David looking around the outside of Allen. Can't make it stick Allen. Hangs on. To a good start. Double single, your top 3, all do double singles.
You gotta put the cars on the other side.
Yeah, sitting cars down right in front of the wall qualifies as pulling at people. Oh, that's Mike, that's fun.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm kidding. Gary off to a smooth start here.
Awesome.
Alan keeping him in sight. David's on with him. Your top three on a breakaway right now. Derek and Mike back and forth to fourth. Mike goes back into fourth here at the wall ride. Derek has a sweet front switch in the right side triple. And it's Justin Smith and Teresa. Little contact between Derek and Chris. So we're trying to keep it smooth out front. He's going to start coming up the lap cars already here. A minute and a half in. David has another look to the inside of Allen, but can't make it stick. He triples over Allen. Allen hangs on to the inside to the left side double. Allen is at 2-5. David to the inside again. But he keeps fixing going there.
Oh, sorry, Chris. Good.
Passing cars in the white hot body. Allen in the green and white X-ray. David in the white, blue, and pink. Yeah. The deep one. Ooh, hot lap from there. He's done it twice already. 28 feet, 28 7. Allen and Dave once again making contact into the final corner. They are in game first. For a time. Yeah, Allen's going to get some breathing room in that right spot. And David's going to have to work through some traffic. That's not a great start to it. Shortstop.
Go ahead, Jerry.
David's going to hit and figure it out. Jerry out front right now in the and White is coming across the line right now for the big section. On Mike and DA. Jerry is burning up the track. Right?
Sorry.
I don't know what that was.
I had some in my eye.
You maybe forgot what it was right there.
Yeah, I did actually. Oh no.
I petition for 40 plus 4 drive on the pit stop.
Yep.
Yep.
It's 50 actually. I'm 54 also.
There's a race out west that has a 53 and over class
Yeah, that's me.
because the organizer of the event is 53. For no reason.
Oh. Sorry, Alan. Go, Alice. Go. Sorry about that. I had no control.
That's what we're about. You need how 21 from Jerry 2 laps to go. For Jerry, Allen, David, Mike. Now we do have a battle here. Teresa, Chris, and Justin all close together to the outside down now. Stop by Teresa on this lap, but Justin did not completely use Chris and Tim, then Teresa and Justin, and there. Here with a 10-second lead over Allen. Allen has 17 Mercedes. He's got 8. Mike has 8 seconds on Chris. Chris has 17 on Justin. Justin has 1 second over Teresa. He's got 13 on Barry. And of course, it's supposed to sitting on track. Justin has Teresa. Justin with the silver hot body heading to the right side circle. Teresa right behind him in the yellow, green, blue, and purple. Gary Allen Davis on the podium. Chris, Teresa, and Darren. Top 3 all have hot laps in the 20s. Everybody else is in the 30s. There are no grab down. He's across the line, takes it down. We are just pointing this one out. Stuff off. Gary, Marlon goes slow across the line.
It's good. It's good.
Or not.
Let's leave it.
And that's a race. Gary Allen and David in the podium. Gary Allen and David in the podium. Your top 5 will finish as they started. Gary.
I'm in the next race, so I gotta.
Chris, Justin, Teresa, and Derek. In the 6th spot, TJ Stroud. In the 5th spot, Tom Cash. 4th spot is Scott Walter. 5th spot is Gomez. And 1 spot is
What happened, Tom? Battery? I think so.
Oh, that was quick. Alrighty.
I think the connector might be broken.
So here's the fun part about 4-wheel drive short course on beams, is that some of you probably will run out of battery. I think that's just a fun twist this class has. So, expect chaos and never give up because the guy in front of you is about to shut off at all times. Alright, driver's ready, marshal's ready, going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. And away we go. Allen's going to try to get off to a good start here. He was dominant throughout qualifying. Gomez, the only one within a lap of him.
Back! Behind you!
get that angle. That's so hard to do the best
Allen out to a quick 5-second lead. He and Gomez are already checked out. King and Jay, a few seconds apart for third and fourth, a few seconds back to Tom, and a second back to Scott. One stuck on the pipe there, so all right. Maybe we'll get through. The pipe's still poking out a bit. We'll have a look. Let's have a look around our Dudley Hill, 64 inches today, even though 100 people said they were going there. Still, this is their first race. Wrapping up this there around the wall. A lot of our friends down at ONS today at Adrenaline, 220 entries there. It was sold out. Let's see if we can go find Denver here. With 2 80s in the book, Denver's third and 182. Drive. What about Don? Where is Don? Don left? Wow. No. Third. Huh? Second, 21.5? You got third and A1 and third and A2. Pretty qualified? He had a TC run, I thought. No, I thought he started third. Anyway. Who else from our gang is out there? Denver's top 10 in stadium trucks. Ben Decker, Wet, 13.5 four-wheel drive. Wow. Won all 3 Oh, Amber's second and 17.5, he's third and 21.5. There we go. So yeah, he won A2. 17.5. In pro stock, Ben swept again.
Oh, no!
Allen out front right now, nice 20-second lead for him. Oh. Gomez in the 2 spot. And then you'll have to take a quick nap and then wake up. And then we got Tim, Tom, and TJ, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and Scott in 6th. Tom and Tim back and forth for that 3 spot right now, but somebody having a long lap. I think that was Scott. It's not too bad, left. Somebody was off the left.
Yep.
Oh no.
Down and 2 to go, and now there's no battle. TJ and Scott is the running order. I'd like to know if anything gets close.
Oh! Battery's loose!
Uh-oh. Now one down the left side triple.
I think the push
Seven
loose.
down and one to go.
Turns off.
Work on it. Time to work on it.
Great line. A race. Alan Gomez and Tim to the podium. Alan Gomez Tim to the podium. TJ going to move up to fourth from sixth on the grid. Scott finishing fifth, and Tom out. On the shot, slow down on the front straight, and we can get gridded. In spot, and also timing the second spot, nothing you should think about it. Scott Walter. And on the seventh spot, your Stadium Truck TQ, Rob Traub.
Help fuel work.
On the 5 spot, Jeff Ivy.
Yeah.
On the 4th spot, Mike Louie. 3, Gary Tobias. 2, Nick Cummings. And 1, Chris Klein. Can anybody stop Klein? Probably not, so let's find out.
Yeah, like I can wreck into it right at those seconds.
Going racing on the sound of the tone.
Good luck, guys.
5. I saw that, yeah.
Yeah.
5 seconds is a lot longer than people think it is. That was like 3 and you guys are antsy.
Fucking A.
5, 3.
Oh, geez. Counter steer.
Higher, Mike.
Okay.
That's down, what is Scott and Rob back and forth with the one spot change. They're having a little battle here. Blue flag for Rob and Scott. You got Chris and Nick coming up on you. That's the lead battle in two-wheel buggies. There, he gets it wrong. Let's Mike into the 3 spot. It's not counting anymore, but trust me, he's in second. He's doing a good job of keeping Chris honest here.
Guy in the orange, can you sit down?
Yeah.
Chris opting for the single double here on the right side.
Thank you.
I like that line.
I got a bigger mouth.
Going for a single double that time. In the 3 spot, we got a battle. Kind of. Mike and Gary. Pretty close together here.
Sorry.
Mike going around the outside of Stadium Truck. He's now Stadium. Truck. Oh, he could have turned right and been free, but he drove back into the pipe.
Behind you. Orange.
Just pull it. He's dead. He's dead. Kind of started rolling backward about it, though. Chris, Nick, and then Mike and Gary about 3 seconds apart. And Jeff. And then Stadium Truck. Down to 1. Cool, the car started counting again.
Guys, thank you. Sorry. Not paying attention. You're hanging out.
Mike and Gary still going at it for third right now. That final step on the podium. Mike would love it if Ezra hadn't taken the photo for this one. Marshall in front of you. Go to the front. Yep. Chris is slowly starting to walk away here. 5 down and 2 to go. The lead over Nick looks like it's probably about up to 10 now. All right. Area like the back three spot trying to look at you. It's a little awkward. You know, it might.
On top of the hill. Oh. On top of the hill. Just leave me there.
Rest in peace, Mike Pony.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh, stage.
Agreed. Fine, I'm supposed to reach the area anyway. Now, I remember that same game. That's right. I'm proud of it. Like, you was 2.1 is out. Guess what? Your buddy came here. Some time to grab a new stock motor. I'm giving it whatever it is to be properly. But the new rule set that comes into place in 2027. The field a lot like the old one. You just gear up one tooth and it's like pretty much the same, runs a little cooler. You pick those, because I don't think the rule change is supposed to make it better.
Not
So
good.
it's actually the
Oh, can't see. Take your time. That was the problem I had. Like 10 seconds on top of the hill.
So, looking around, he's asking you. Not much going on. Oh. I don't think that Nick and Gary are on the same lap here. Not. We can pretend they are. It might be more fun. Never mind.
In the hole! In the hole!
Gary almost got out of there. This way, towards me, towards me, towards me. Yep.
Oh, that's on video. On top of the hill. Oh my gosh.
Like,
Put it down! Holy. Oh my god. Ridiculous.
He's stomping on. I don't have to do that. Hooray! Oh, Nick did? Okay, let me buy this. Actually, that was 8 like this. Phantom Power might. That's in there. All right, drivers, we're going to get good up. Your 4th spot is Rob. 3 spot there. 2 spot Ruben. 1 spot Gary. Okay, driver. Whoa, there. Get that in your next spot.
Back here to fit like step in their car and somebody out here on the track that they can.
All right. Racing on the count of the tone and less than 5. Ginormous by double. I think it's wing on the way up. Put that thing back in. Maybe take his jaw off the floor and get a touchdown there before he gets away. Yeah, that works. Billy and David in that right side triple. 2 minutes into this one. Here's your podium driver. If the question is the order. Rob's got to outlast Garrett. And Rob is broken. We're down to 2. It's Jerry and Darren. No offense. I'm going to go work on my buddy now. 3 down and 5 to go. It's Jerry and three minutes. I want to try to stop. I just want to talk about that. Here's out front. 16 back, 7 back behind there. Derek's looking at the podium. The go Derek. Derek says Rob leads out. 50 is something funny to watch. Like what you're trying to do, but it was really straight against the wall or something. I was trying to call. Like, finish the flat with third. Right. You were that is the opposite of turning right. Getting the foreign speed is triple easier.
7 minutes down, 1 to go. Up next, race number 6. 1/8 scale E-Bug A main. The podium is currently on the track and running. David is sitting upside down. After time since he rejoined. Oh, that's a win. We don't know. Jared needs to know. Well, you know what? It is a PA mode. He doesn't have to race anymore tonight. I mean, it's the last lap and you're saving your second no matter what. Do what you want. David finished 3 races. Only one log is there. It's all eyes on the yellow truck. He's going to triple and come up remarkably short. That's barely double. That's all right. David. Then we will meet the winner. I'll leave the 4th and the race and after that, so my first one's probably 2 volunteers because
Thing. I mean, golly. There he is. I tried to, you just didn't listen to the first time. All right, gentlemen. How my Mark is doing? Everything's good? Yeah, now I'm 80 man. All right. This is an 8-minute A main, 1/8 E-Buggy on the sound of the tone, less than 5. Keep it clean to the first point. Keep it clean. Thomas is over. Thomas is over. It's almost last. The leader's heading to the wall ride. Watch the triple on the right. Watch the triple on the right. Junior. Come on. God damn it. There you go. Gotta let go of the throttle when you get over. Well, fingers. First, that's how that happens before. He's about 14 seconds back. Justin, Jared, Robbie, and Caleb. Yeah, I think so. That's 25.
Watch the triple, watch the triple. Clear. You're bringing it in, 5 to go. It's not a small like Allen. It doesn't seem very hard to maintain them. Right there, tabletop. Here. You know, the double event, I believe, and the Friday night and Saturday half event. Friday night would be a club race, and Saturday would be a half race. That's exactly what it is. Orange Gardner, they do that. I'm going to the white food to yellow. That was the yellow and white is orange. Don't do that. Don't jump the track. Don't jump the track. Take my foot on. You already have that day. There's a coming through. Already have a common friends and we just try. File and buy. Yep. Sure. Seconds ahead of 15 seconds ahead of Dane. You know, on the sign. 2 minutes to go. Meter, not the meter. That's the fire at the meter. Triple watch, triple the right. Whatever. We're closing the gap on five. I was running. At second place, thank you. As they close up the gap line. There's 1.7 between them. And now it's even closer. That Thomas, they hit the ground with the right triple. Oh, almost made it. Thomas flipped. That's the fastest. Thomas in second. That's the lead. With 17 seconds to go. Goes the charge, here goes the charge.
5 seconds to go. This is it. This is it. Race to the line. Race to the line. It's Ezra! Oh, that's good. Ezra's done. Tom's done. It's a lap. It's a lap. Justin. Justin's done. James done. Eric's done. Lastly, Mogul.
What happened? He fell apart, it sounds like. Did you stomp on it?
And we are done. We're going to take this by a half second over Thomas. Thomas in second, James in third, Alan fourth, Justin in fifth, Derek sixth, Rodney seventh, and Caleb eighth. In the back for podium finishers. And see you next week.